going on, YouTube? Today we're going to be showing our marketing director and my biggest fan right here, Quinn Patrick Kelly, how to apply Soul Shields on these 2019 infrared 6s. Ready, dude?
I was born ready.
Let's do it. Okay guys, so the items we're going to need for the Soul Shield application is our Reshoevn8r Soul Shields, a pen, scissors, shoes, and a heat gun. Let's do it.
All right.
Alright, let's go ahead and pop this open. This one's for you, and this one's for me. We got our Soul Shields. We're also going to
For the record, I've never done this before.
Alright, so we're going to try to break it down as best as possible for Quinn. These are traction pads. We're going to need these for after we apply the Soul Shields. So we'll put these to the side for now. We also have our alcohol prep pads.
Okay.
One for you, one for me.
Got it. What happens if this shoe's brand new, right?
It's brand new.
See it. But what if you're applying it to a shoe that's been worn?
If it's been worn, you have to clean it no matter what. If you don't clean the Soul Shields are not gonna stick very well to the soles. These shoes are brand new, so what we're gonna do is just kind of quickly pass it over with the alcohol prep pad, just to remove any residue that's on the sole, any lint or whatever. Really easy. So let's go ahead and do that now, Quinn.
Okay. Hey, there's a bunch of glue on mine.
Yeah, that's
factory.
That's factory, dude.
Come on, Jordan Brand.
Jordan Brand.
Seriously,
Sucks nowadays.
man. You just rub it on there.
Just rub it on there. Super easy. All right, good to go on that part. I was gonna throw that in. All right, so now you're gonna want to grab our Soul Shield and lay it down on the glossy side.
When you say Soul Shield really fast, it sounds like you're saying social.
Let's go ahead and lay down our social. All right, let's go ahead and lay down our Soul Shield on its glossy side so the matte side is facing up.
Got it.
Now we're gonna grab our shoe.
Yep.
Place it on top of the social. Next,
Pen.
with our handy dandy pens.
Okay. You amateur. Have you ever done this before?
With our handy dandy pens, we're gonna go ahead and outline the entire sole.
Our handy dandy pens.
Our handy dandy pens.
How close do you have to get to it? Or you just kind of go straight down?
I'm just kind of leaning on the shoe using the pen. You know, nothing too crazy.
This is my favorite shoe of all time. For the record.
He's told me a million times.
I won't shut up about it. I actually bought these for myself. Mr. Reshoevn8r doesn't know it yet. I'll be hitting him up about these later. Yours looks a lot nicer than mine. Mine's kind of shaky.
Experience, Quinn. Show it to the camera.
Whose is better? Comment. Who's better with the handy dandy pen?
Okay. Next step, we're gonna grab our scissors.
Oh, scissors now?
Scissors. So you know how to use some scissors?
I think we need to explain this to Vic.
Just go ahead and cut the Soul Shield. Right?
Cut along the lines?
Yeah, just cut along the line. Usually what I do is kind of cut outside the line, not right on the line, so we can have a little Soul Shield to kind of wrap over the shoe.
They're kind of tough to cut.
It's not too bad. Maybe use your left hand.
You're done already? Holy cow. How accurate do I have to be in the cutting?
Accurate enough. Mine's not perfect, but...
Okay.
Next up, we're going to go ahead and peel the Soul Shield. This part is always a bit time
Alright, so hold on a second.
Okay,
what are we doing with this once we peel it?
Once we peeled it, we're going to want to be very careful because you only get one shot at it. You know, you're going to pretty much go straight to putting it on the shoe. So I guess you want to have the shoes ready to go.
Okay.
You know, you got it, you got it. There you go. Come on.
I'm patient. Peel it all the way off?
Peel most of it off. And might as well peel it all off.
Okay.
Alright. Got it?
Yep.
Got the Soul Shield?
Yeah, I got the Soul Shield.
Got the shoe?
I got the shoe.
Okay. Usually what I do is start from the back and work my way up. You know, just kind of lay it down gently. Just like that.
How does that look?
It looks perfect. Nice. So now, with your hand, you're gonna press it down.
With my hand.
Use your hand.
You should do it at the same time.
That's the thumbnail shot. So what if there's creases in it or anything?
There's creases, you know, you're gonna use the heat gun, you're gonna get
Anyways,
it out.
okay.
Exactly.
So really, you're just trying to set it in place.
Exactly.
Kind of. Okay.
It's not gonna be perfect right away.
So how, is that good enough?
That's good enough. You know,
Alright.
It looks exactly like my shoe.
Okay.
Now, using a heat gun, we're simply just gonna go ahead and apply heat all over the all over the sole. You know, heat it up for a bit, and then with your hands, once again, just kind of start forming it in the sole. You're gonna reapply heat over and over again until the sole shield is fully applied on the sole.
Got it.
So let's do it. Cooking. Cooking.
So how do you use this thing? Just lowest setting?
I usually put on the highest.
Okay.
Just kind of keep it moving. Don't focus on one area.
So as I do this, I'm also wanting to press it down.
Exactly. So you apply heat for a little bit, and then once you have enough heat, you put the heat gun down and start pressing it down.
How do you know when you have enough heat?
Just after you've gone at it for a good 30, 45 seconds, that should be enough heat. And
Okay.
then you put it down, press it down, and then once you've done that, you'll go at it again with heat. Do it a few times.
So you want to press it down using your hand,
Exactly.
thumbs, anything like that?
Exactly.
So some of the edges, and maybe we'll get there, but some of the edges have kind of like curled around and stuck, but some of them are still hanging out.
For the edges, you're gonna want to apply separate heat for those areas. You know, the edges are really, really important. If you do not take care of those edges, dirt tends to grow under that, causing the sole shield to start coming up, saving with water. So the edges is very important. Make sure those areas are super flat. I got a couple of bubbly areas on this side right here. I'm gonna go in and apply more heat until it's fully flat.
Got it, got it. So this is pretty much it, eh?
Yeah, and if you have delicate fingers, me and Quinn don't obviously, you can use a towel to rub it down because the heat gun does apply a lot of heat and the sole shields could get really hot. So
Yeah.
if you don't want to use your thumb, use a towel. Okay guys, so what I'm doing right now is kind of making sure
Okay, Quinn, talking to me.
Quinn and you guys, so what I'm doing right now is applying the sole shield using the heat gun is focusing my attention near the Jumpman. The sole shield, what I'm trying to do is kind of get it to wrap around the Jumpman. I'm focusing my heat on that area. I'm still constantly moving it though. I'm still kind of moving it around. If I just kind of stay this way, I'm gonna burn a hole through the shoe. You don't want that, so just keep it moving around. You can see on your shoe, the sole shield isn't fully wrapped around
Right.
the Jumpman, so
More heat.
more heat.
Got it.
Keep it moving though.
Okay, so that's it. Really,
That's
it's
pretty
just
much
work it in there.
getting in
Would
there.
you ever use like a tool or like poke around?
You don't want to use a tool too much because you could poke a hole in the plastic.
Mm.
You know, just use your fingers, use a towel. That's really all you need.
So the only part I have left to do, I think, is just the bottom.
Yeah, this part right here, and that's pretty much it. The sides look good, everything's wrapped around. Jumpman's great. Pretty much on point. All right, that's about it, man.
Really? Does it look good?
It looks good.
Can I see yours? We compare them?
It's not as good as mine, but it's good.
Yeah, you're right.
Nah, it looks identical.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Yeah, it's identical. Nice job, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Last step you gotta do is apply traction pads.
Ah,
So this is a neat trick that Johnny taught me. What you want to do is, Johnny, what was that trick you showed me?
I have no nails. You saw it yourself. I got it.
There you go.
I got it.
All right. Now you're gonna want to place one of them on the top portion of the sole.
Anywhere?
Anywhere. Usually I kind of put it at an angle, the sole kind of curves.
Oh yeah.
So I kind of
Yeah.
lay it down right there.
Ah!
I got it too.
I'm pretty sure I beat you there. Tell us in the comments down below.
I don't
who's
know.
faster. Okay.
All right. Let's place it on the back.
Okay. Same thing.
Same thing. Easy. Now this is a trick that Johnny showed me. If you want the traction pads to stick super good to the sole, you're gonna want to apply some heat to
Yeah.
it.
Which obviously you do because you don't want it coming off when you walk. Exactly. Okay. Here.
I'll do it first.
Same thing. Same method here. Just hit them both
Same
up.
method, yeah. Throwing a lot of heat.
Can I help you?
Make sure you guys are doing it right. Just make sure you guys are doing it right?
So, yeah. Is that it?
Dude, that's
Oh, we're
it.
done?
That is it.
That was really easy, actually.
super easy.
Yeah.
Like I said. You had a good teacher. So that's gonna be it, guys, on the sole application on these 2019 infrared 6s. Quinn, what did you think? Did you find it educational?
Yeah, actually, I loved it. I had a great teacher. Thanks, Vic. And it was really easy, honestly. I'm not just saying that. Like, I've never done this before. It's the first time you watched me do it. It's not that hard. And if I'm gonna get these shoes and they're gonna become mine, I'm really glad to have sole shields on them now. So, yeah.
If you guys want to purchase our Reshoevn8r sole shields, guys, head over to Reshoevn8r.com. Check out the description below for a promo code to save some money. This is Vic and Quinn. We'll see you guys next time.